Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2019 Kia Stinger Turbo GT. Really pretty car. Look at that. He said he was going to buy a truck, and then he saw this car, test drove it, fell in love. So be careful. These Stingers will sting you. Factory converters up there somewhere. Then what we did, 2 1/4 pipe out the middle. And then we took the secondary cats off and put high flows in their place to make it flow a lot better, as you guys can see. And then 2 1/4 pipe. Then we took the resonators out and put 2 vibrants. Part number 1790s, right there. There'll be a link in the description for you guys. I'll get you a link in the description for the high flow cats, hopefully. Then 2 1/4 pipe continues, and we did a rear muffler delete there and right there. And then there's the tips built into the rear diffuser right there. And right there. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it. There's the 2 resonators that we cut off. And the cats are right there. And the X pipe and everything. He wanted it to pop and be a lot louder. He's not gonna like it. Man, it's got a nice pop to it. Wow. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. He's gonna upgrade the turbos on it too. Again. It's a cool looking car too. Listen to that bite. I like it. What do you guys think of the sound? Let me know in the comments. Zach, do you approve?
I approve.
He approves. Do you approve? All right. He's happy. Let you guys hear on the inside.
I also approve.
Kia Stinger, high flow rears, vibrant mids, rear deletes. Here we go. Let's see what she sounds like. Oh yeah. Beast mode. That was awesome. Out of a Kia Stinger.